my mum phoned Sandra and asked her, right, my daughter is interested in doing this course. Do you know where she can do it? And Sandra said, here.
I spoke to her mum first on the phone, so mum explained all about her accident and what had happened to her and that. I went to see the head teacher to make sure that she met the criteria for doing the MVQ, and they were really pleased with her, and the children connected with her.
I knew I wanted to work with children always. I can understand why they are so frustrated, and that I love helping them.
She's just so positive, and considering all that's happened to her, and she's still so positive about everything. It's amazing, really.
Knowing that I could do something to help them, I think that is absolutely amazing.
But she does deserve the award very much. She's so positive, and she's an inspiration to so many people. Everyone she meets, she has an effect on, a good effect.
I feel I've done nothing to deserve such an award.